Individual responses. A. What innovative English learning activity would you propose to address the problem? Okay, the innovative activity I would propose in this situation based on the chosen problem would be my smart vocabulary deck. And in this scenario, each student can create their own deck at various digital cards in the Anki app based on the recent vocabulary learned throughout the classes. The different cards include the English, where to be used, its meaning, an audio recording, an example depending on the context, and an image related to the word. All of the above is included on a single card, which means it versatile. And good review sessions are also held daily, where students exchange decks created by students in order to share information and improve vocabulary retention collaboratively. B. What digital tools or resources would you use for this activity? The tool used to address the problem is Anki, which is very effective in these situations due to its effective space repetition system, which helps strengthen vocabulary over the long term with the cards in the deck use. C. How would you evaluate the impact of this activity on language learning? Okay, it would evaluate the impact of this activity based on a comparison at each student's ability and results before and after using Anki. Eh, a vocabulary test could be administered first, followed by another at the end of this session. Then the number of words recalled and used correctly in different contexts would be carefully measured. Additionally, consistency, each student's contribution, time spent using Anki, and improvement in word retention would be observed. Finally, a final test would be administered to compare progress since starting to use the app. Thanks for watching.